magnetic material. A magnet can only attract the magnetic material that is made up of with your iron, nickel, and copper. Okay. So before going to this, I want to tell you what you will learn when you are studying in biology. The structure of a human being. Human being is a single vocabulary. If you want to develop a study regarding human being, you have to study the physical formalities that is present in a human being. That in the same way, what we are going to learn in magnet or magnetism, everything of that learning of magnetism is depending upon its pole. Is that clear? A magnet means it has a north pole or a south pole, which is considered to be bipolar in nature. Bi means two, pole means two. Pole means your what is called a pole then. Is that clear? So that we'll discuss a little bit later. But this, first, it is bipolar in nature. This pole is considered to be the alignment of your elements or the magnetic elements that is present inside a magnet. Is that clear? And in chemistry, you know very well. Every element, every material or every compound is made up of certain elements. That's it. When that element is present inside a magnet, in a discrete manner, in a what do you say, in a unorganized manner, then it is not considered to be pole. That clear? When these elements are joined or arranged in a array, when they are maintaining a regularity, then it can be considered to be a pole. If you consider this in an electricity charge, every element or in a conducting wire, your elements are there, charge is there. Each conducting wire is containing equivalent number of cross charge as well as minus charge. Is that clear? So in the same way, when a electrostatic force is there, applied on there, then the object is getting charged. Are you getting the point? How? Because the charge they are aligned together or accumulated together, then we may called as this conductor is become what? Charge. Here in the same way, magnetic elements they are accumulated particularly at the end. If we consider a magnet in the magnets are of different types, particular end of the what? Magnet. That here and these two ends of the magnet, if we consider a bar magnet, two ends of the magnet are considered to be the two poles. Here it is also another story regarding these two poles that we will discuss with this a little bit later. So first magnet is what? Polar. Magnet is a bipolar in nature. That here you see a magnet is a material that produces a field that we have discussed already. You see, a magnet is always bipolar, which poles named as South Pole and North Pole and South Pole. And these two poles always exist together and cannot be separated. Cannot be separated. This is a bar magnet, for example, you consider. If you break it, that thing I was telling you, the same thing I was telling you, how it is getting polar. How it is getting polar. Suppose this is the black side is the North Pole. My demonstration is visible, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you see, this black side is your North Pole and this white side is your South Pole, for example. Is that clear? And this is getting the North polarity, this is getting the South polarity. You want to break. If you want to break, then you see that the South Pole is separated, North Pole is separated. इस तरफ North Pole हो जाएगा, इस तरफ South Pole हो जाएगा. No. When you are breaking a magnet, automatically the magnetic molecules here they are again aligned themselves on both ends of the magnet equal. Then this one will be getting one polarity and this one will also getting one polarity. So in this case we can't say that magnetic poles never separated. Whenever you separate it, you make it so many pieces, each piece will be behaving as a mind. The time you are breaking a magnet, The magnetism is aligned within the molecules will be aligned within themselves. Is that clear? One will be your north pole, another will be your south pole. You know why and how? One is north, another is south. That can be explained with the Earth's magnetism. Is that clear? Now you see, here it is written, north pole of a magnet is the side which points towards the Earth's geographic north pole, and in the same way, the south pole of a magnet is aligned with the Earth's geographic south pole. To understand better concept is, we may tell you that like your charges, one of the important property of magnet, like your charges, like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. In the same way, magnetism in magnet also, like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. Now let us resemble the magnetism, how the north pole and south pole we are describing. That is actually describing with the help of your what? Earth magnetism. When a bar magnet is suspended freely, from dhaga bandne first tied with a thread, suspend. Are you getting the point? Then you see that this magnet, consider this as a bar magnet, it will automatically align the north-south direction. North-south direction. So that side or that length or that direction of your bar magnet, that is towards the what? That is towards the geographic north pole. That is the north pole, and that is aligned towards the geographic south of Earth. It is your south pole. And why? Question arises why? Why this happened? Okay. Going to more regarding the bar magnet, we are also facing a question in 1 mark or multiple. Define a bar magnet. What is a bar magnet? Generally, a bar magnet is a rectangular piece of what? Magnetic material. I was telling you what is magnetic material, iron, nickel, cobalt. A bar magnet is a Tejas. So give my spec, please. It's not unable to see. Where I have kept my spec.
I told you from schedule numbers. You just make me do.
So a bar magnet is a rectangular object composed of iron, steel or cobalt. Okay. Or any form of ferromagnetic substance. These are considered to be the ferromagnetic substance. Ferro means, आपको ये पता है ferrous, ferro means iron. This iron content must be there. And the ferromagnetic substance. That shows the permanent magnetic properties. It has two different poles, a north and south pole, such that when suspended freely, the north pole align itself towards the geographic north pole of the Earth, and south pole always automatically aligned to the geographic south pole of Earth. और एक साइड अगर नॉर्थ पोल को अलाइन हो गया, साइड तो ऑटोमेटिक साउथ को अलाइन करेगा. This is the reality. Okay. Now let us consider the resemblance. अभी हम resemblance करेंगे कि क्यों a freely suspended bar magnet is always showing in the north-south direction. Now, actually what happened, our Earth is very big, you know very well. It is considered that Earth is itself a huge bar magnet inside its core. If you see, Earth is having a huge bar magnet inside its core. So, a logic you develop. For example, this is your Earth. Magnetic, other property of magnet, like poles repel each other, unlike poles attract each other. So definitely you see, this mobile is a magnet that is hiding inside the Earth. Is that clear? It is visible. My demonstration is visible, students.
Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
Visible. This mobile I have kept in my hand, it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you see, this is a magnet that is present inside the core of the Earth. And you see this part, and this part, these two ends. this bar magnet is particularly what? No? This is the national your geographic north pole, and this is the geographic south pole. My right side, you see, my right side is the geographic south pole, and my left side is geographic north pole. And it is in convention, it is observed that it is not yet experimented because no one is yet going to bury it under the earth. So it is observed that the south pole of the bar magnet present inside the earth is aligned to the geographic north pole. Ulta pulta. Are you getting my point? The south pole, if this mobile is your bar magnet, okay, huge bar magnet present in the earth. This is in the direction of what? This is in the north pole of the bar magnet is showing in the direction of geographic north pole of earth. Similarly, the north pole of the bar magnet is showing towards the geographic south pole of the earth. तो नॉर्थ पोल को बार मैग्नेट का साउथ पोल डायरेक्शन में है और का डायरेक्शन आपका जियोग्राफिक साउथ पोल का डायरेक्शन में आपका नॉर्थ पोल डायरेक्शन। दैट क्लियर? नाउ ये देखो, ये साउथ पोल है बार मैग्नेट इनसाइड अर्थ, ये साउथ पोल है। अब ये मैग्नेट जब हम अर्थ के सरफेस के ऊपर इसको हैंग करते हैं, ऑटोमेटिकली अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल then opposite pole will attract each other. Then this will be the north pole, this will be the south pole. They are attracting each other, so it is just hanging in the north south direction. Then why we are considered to be the bar magnet as your north south direction? Because this is your geographic north pole of earth, this is your geographic south pole. Here south pole of bar magnet inside earth and north pole of your suspended magnet, they attract, therefore it is always in the north south direction. Now you are capturing my point or not? थोड़ा सा yes or no बोलिए. I can show you the example here, the diagram. You see, can you see? Is the diagram visible to you? Now you see, let me explain in the diagram. You see the huge bar magnet present inside earth. You see, this is your geographic north pole. North pole के तरफ अर्थ मैग्नेट, अर्थ के अंदर जो मैग्नेट है इसका साउथ पोल उसी डायरेक्शन में है। सिमिलरली अर्थ का जो साउथ पोल है, एस लिखा है यहाँ पे, मैग्नेट का नॉर्थ पोल इस तरफ है। जब अर्थ के सरफेस के ऊपर हम एक मैग्नेट को सस्पेंड करते हैं तो आज इट इज टेलिंग दैट अनलाइक पोल विल अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर, तो इसका साउथ पोल बार मैग्नेट का नॉर्थ पोल का अट्रैक्ट कर देगा। तो नॉर्थ पोल बार मैग्नेट का नॉर्थ पोल आपका अर्थ का जियोग्राफिक नॉर्थ पोल के डायरेक्शन में अलाइन होगा। सिमिलरली बार मैग्नेट का आपका साउथ पोल आपका जियोग्राफिक साउथ पोल में अलाइन होगा। ठीक है? एंड it is observing that actually the bar magnet is not exactly with the diameter of the earth, or what do you say that your that polar axis. Is that clear? The pole, you know, when you read geography, you have learned this earth is having axis of rotation, you know very well. It is not exactly matched. The bar magnet is not exactly matched with the axis of what? Axis of the pole. It is matched with an angle that is called as 15 degree. Okay. So whenever you will want to see the, you see, if this is your this whiteboard visible, dear students? Whiteboard.
Sir, the right side upper corner is visible.
Now visible?
Yes, sir, now it is visible. Upper.
You see here, this is your app, for example. This is your app. If this is your axis, you know, this is your north side, is your south side. The bar magnet, my point is that the bar magnet is not exactly matched like this. Are the visible है?
Not fully visible. Now it is. Yes, sir.
Now visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see, this is not exactly matched with the axis. Then how it is, how the bar magnet is present? It is observing that, or it is experimented, or by convention we can say this, the magnet is tilted at an angle 15 degree. This angle, particularly this angle, this is the axis, and this is the turning of your magnet. This is known as a 15 degree. How many degree? In 15 degree, the magnet is situated. The magnet is situated in the what? Core. Are you getting my point? Therefore, अभी आप लोग जो experiment करोगे, मेरा बोलने का मतलब आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? Tejas,
Yes.
please give me that compass.
Yes.
Compass.
Malvana the school and who
That not that compass. This is not the expect that compass showing magnetism.
Oh, compass.
Yes. Is it visible to you, dear student?
Yes, sir.
It is visible to you. देखो whenever ये
Yes, sir.
compass वो देखो वो compass आपका exactly north और south को point करके नहीं रहेगा, थोड़ा सा इधर उधर दिखेगा, थोड़ा. Are you getting the point? What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this that अभी यहाँ पे आपको visible हो रहा है कि नहीं? Visible हो रहा है?
Yes, sir. तो थोड़ा
यहाँ पर अभी visible है, देखिए.
ये
और
Yes,
एस
sir.
आपको दिख रहा है, एन और एस दिख रहा है.
yes, sir.
तो ये बिल्कुल एन के पर, बोलने का मतलब ये है कि ये बिल्कुल एन के पर रहता हुआ नहीं दिखेगा, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा एंगल में रहेगा, थोड़ा 15 डिग्री एंगल कितना होगा ये तो आपको पता है, ठीक है. बट वी आर कंसीडरिंग दिस एज द बार मैग्नेट इज शोइंग द जियोग्राफिक नॉर्थ पोल एंड द जियोग्राफिक साउथ पोल. नाउ स्टूडेंट में ऑफन आस्किंग क्वेश्चन, so how this magnetism created? आपने बस ये बोल दिया, you are just telling that earth is having a huge bar magnet. कैसे क्रिएट हुआ? हाउ मैग्नेट कैसे क्रिएट हुआ? अब यहीं से फ्रॉम दिस हाउ इट इज क्रिएटेड, हाउ दैट ह्यूज बार मैग्नेट इज क्रिएटेड, इफ यू एनालाइज दिस, इफ यू फाइंड द और एक्सप्लोर द concept how the bar magnet is produced, that will take you to your chapter magnetic effects of electric current. ये आपको आपका जो स्टडी है वहां तक ले जाएगा, उस हेडिंग के ऊपर ले जाएगा. तो अब तक हम फंडामेंटल में थे, मैग्नेट क्या है, मैग्नेट क्या है, मैग्नेट कैसे बनता है आपके इधर क्लियर, मैग्नेट का प्रॉपर्टी क्या है, मैग्नेट का नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल, हाउ वी आर टेलिंग दैट दिस इज नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल ऑफ द मैग्नेट, इधर क्लियर. Now here the real question arises, how the arc is having a, or arc is experienced or influenced by a huge bar magnet. That is naturally possible with the help of electric current. And this magnetism is obtained by the electric current produced in the core of the arc. How? Let me explain. You see, how electric current is produced. You have learned in your locality Rengali Dam is there, Hirakud Dam is there. Is that clear? So when the water is coming with a tremendous force, when the water is coming with a what? Tremendous force and it turns the turbine, electricity is obtained. Are you getting the point? Yes or no? This is the logic, na? Yes or no? This is the logic. So the scientists or the geologists, they have experienced that arc is containing many plates. Geography में पढ़े होते हैं, arc plate होता है, and inside the arc, geography में भी पढ़ते हो, lava is there. Is that clear? वो lava, how the lava is coming out? How the lava is coming out? Because inside the arc, every element, what may be the plate, arc is inside the arc. It is not containing the gas. It is also containing many liquid under its arc. One of them may be a lava. Is that clear? And those lava or the liquid, they are in continual motion, churning. Are you getting the point? Inside the core of the arc. So when those liquids present inside the arc, they are in continual motion, then automatically due to the motion of the liquid and electricity is produced, electric current is produced. And due to this presence of electric current produced by the continual motion of the liquid present in the earth, this electric against an magnetic effect in the form of a bar magnet, and this is the rule of this chapter. This is the law of it. Are you getting my point or not? So how the bar magnet is produced in the earth? The bar magnet is produced in the earth by the production of electricity through the continual motion of the liquid at the core of the earth. How it is produced? And this is produced by what? This is produced by the what? Electricity. Now let us come into the topic. What is called as magnetic effects of electric current. So now from this, one of your famous scientists whose name is Webster, that around 1820, he is telling that whenever an electric current is passed through a conductor, whenever an electric current is passed through a conductor, a magnetic field is influences around it. Are you getting the point? And that is nothing but it very much resemblance with the Earth's magnetic field. So let us go for furthermore. You see, you are clearly understood. What I was telling you is just you see, the axis of Earth magnet and the geographical axis don't coincide with each other. The axis of Earth magnetic field is inclined at an angle about 15 degrees with the geographical axis. Due to this, a freely suspended magnet makes an angle 15 degrees with the geographical axis and points only approximately in the north-south direction. Is the screen visible to you, dear student?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible.
जहाँ प्रॉब्लम होगा बोलिएगा मुझे तुरंत, क्योंकि एक बार मैं यहाँ खड़ा हो जाता हूँ, मुझे इस लैपटॉप स्क्रीन को देखने के लिए पता नहीं चलता. Okay. Now, it is now believed that what is written here, the Earth's magnetism is due to the magnetic effect of current. What is that magnetic effect of current? Which is the flowing of the liquid at the core or at the center of the Earth. Thus, Earth is considered to be a huge electromagnet. जो बार मैग्नेट को हम अर्थ के अंदर सोच रहे, वो एक इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट है. Electromagnet, magnetism produced due to the flow or passage of electricity. Okay, then we'll go more for regarding this electromagnet or this, and total chapter of this chapter will only consider with this combination of electricity and magnetism, nothing but your electromagnet. Coming to the next, use of magnets. So before going to read this chapter briefly, अब तक हमने कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं, just I am giving an introduction setup. Is that clear? What is the use of this magnet, in our day-to-day life? This is a sure question in the examination, sometimes asking the 2 mark or 3 mark or 4 mark. Not 4 mark, maybe a question of what is the right some uses of your magnet. You see, magnets are used in the radio, television. Nowadays, whatever you are seeing, almost all mechanical equipment is made up of magnet only. Okay, some of your written as television, stereo, speaker, refrigerator. Okay, or your video cassette tapes, hard disks, floppy disks of computer, and many more of the children toys. आजकल remote car मिलता है, video game खेलते हो, everything magnet is there. Without magnet, it's not possible. Similarly, another you see magnets are also used in making electric generators or electric motors. ये जो इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर और इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर, इसके बारे में हम ब्रीफली एट द एंड ऑफ द टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे कि इसका यूज क्या है, ये कैसे इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर में काम आता है. दैट क्लियर? एंड ये जो इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर और इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर्स, these things are available with these your TV speaker, audio speaker, your refrigerator, your cassette, floppy disk, everywhere these concepts. Magnetic regions imaging. आप देखोगे medical facilities, people when they are seriously affected by a particular disease, that is called as the MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, full form MRI. Okay, you might have seen or not, I don't know. MRI जो देखोगे आप, इसको otherwise बोलते हैं हमारा CT scan. Is that clear? MRI में क्या होता है? Strong electricity is passed through this, and the whole body of the person is going inside a chamber. When the strong electricity is produced at that time, a strong magnetic field is also produced, and that magnetism is able to, even at taking your photograph of your every internal organ, that we are, and that is called as the imaging. From this, it is clearly detected which part of our body organ is damaging. Then the doctors are taking the respective treatment. Inner human body technique, which is used to scan the inner human body parts in the hospital. Also, it uses magnets for its working. Okay, then come to the next. I was telling you. Now we will coming to the original concept. It is telling that magnetism, by Earth's magnetism created by your passage of the production of electricity at the core. This concept is first discovered by one of your famous scientists known as Oersted, and his experiment is known as the Oersted's experiment. इन्होंने क्या किया था? तेजस,
Yes.
give me that instrument, electricity instrument.
Oh, we'll check.
जल्दी जल्दी. Now you see, this is a short circuit diagram I have made here. आप लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे. It's Oersted. This is nothing but your. This is a conductor. It's a metallic wire. So many metallic wire is attached here. You take a metallic wire. That's clear. Connected with the homogeneity. This is a very cell, your dry cell. You see, this is a cell. Okay, and here you see, here what I say that what you say, this one is considered to be what? Alpine, not alpine. That is क्या बोलते हैं इसको? ये वाला दिख रहा है आपको? Safety pin. Yes, yes. Okay. Instead of this safety pin, you can take any iron nail. Okay. And this iron nail, and you see, and this is your compass. This compass is always aligned with your north-south direction. When that compass will be touched here or showing around this, and it will automatically deflect it. ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट यहाँ नहीं दिखा रहा है. इसका रीजन ये है कि बैटरी का जो वोल्टेज है बहुत कम है, वेरी स्लो और लो मैग्नेटिज्म प्रोड्यूस है, therefore it is not deflected. Otherwise, if it is a strong, little bit strong magnetism, then originally the compass is in north-south direction. Whenever you touch the compass, whenever you will bring the compass at the very close to your conductor, is that clear? Then it will deflect. Why deflect? What is the reason of deflecting? आप बताओ, what is the reason of deflecting? Due to the creation of magnetic field. Because वो वायर में that conductor, suppose यहाँ पे already this is the wire for example. ये वायर में already एक magnetism created. It is the north pole and the south pole of that man. Whenever you will bring the compass is again having north pole and south pole. सोच लीजिए आपका नॉर्थ पोल को ये अट्रैक्ट करेगा, तो एक तरफ अट्रैक्ट होने से इसका नीडल ऑटोमेटिक घूमेगा. अदरवाइज ये सॉरी नॉर्थ पोल ये रिपेल करेगा, तो ऑटोमेटिकली इसको ये कंपास नीडल को बाहर भेजेगा, तो ये ऐसे ऐसे घूमता रहेगा. व्हेन देयर इज ए interaction of what? Two poles each other, then automatically there will be deflection. If there is no magnetism, there is no deflection. This is your Oersted experiment. It's very simple activity. It is shown to you. ठीक है, take a straight thick copper wire. You take a copper wire. ये वाला आप भी घर में खुद कर सकते हो मार्केट से. But I have purchased this compass from the market. But it is really a little bit worthless. Why this happened? That may be a low magnetic, और ये थोड़ी देर चलने के बाद शायद मैग्नेटिज्म क्रिएट हो सकता है. थोड़ा सा कम डिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है. अभी ये शो नहीं कर रहा है, तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली डिफ्लेक्ट होगा. ठीक है, ओके. तो व्हाई द क्वेश्चन इज हियर, आई डोंट वांट टू एक्सप्लेन मोर रिगार्डिंग दिस. यू नो वेरी वेल, बाय लुकिंग इनटू द डायग्राम आपको ये अच्छा से समझ में आ जाएगा. दिस इज जनरली द सर्किट डायग्राम. यू सी हियर xy is the wire, okay, and this xy is wire is inserted, or that is hold और दैट इज इंसर्टेड इनटू ए प्लेन ऑफ पेपर और हार्ड कार्डबोर्ड, उसको पेपर के नीचे अंदर घुसा दिया, सिंपल से था, दैट क्लियर। देन बोथ ऑफ द end of the what end of the both end of the wire xy is connected to a cell or a battery. You see here it is a ammeter, a is showing or your passage of current with a resistance, is that clear? Resistance. So this is the setup, or this setup is nothing but your Oester's experiment setup. What you will observe, you see, on the plane of the paper or thick cardboard, when you put the compass, you see the compass, you see, and it will automatically deflect. The reason of deflect is that there must be creation of magnetic field around that copper wire. So here in Oester's mind, two things are concept. When there is a passage of electricity, magnetism is produced. If the reverse is correct, इनके माइंड में ये आया, क्या वो रिवर्स पॉसिबल है क्या? रिवर्स मीन्स व्हाट? इस एक्सपेरिमेंट में उन्होंने देखा कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास होने से मैग्नेटिज्म प्रोड्यूस हो जाता है कंडक्टर के अराउंड। रिवर्स पॉसिबल है क्या? रिवर्स मतलब क्या है? If a magnet will rotate, अगर एक मैग्नेट को घुमाएंगे क्या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस हो सकता है? रिवर्स। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से मैग्नेटिज्म प्रोड्यूस होता है, क्या मैग्नेटिज्म से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस होता है? हो सकता है, यस हो सकता है। इज दैट क्लियर? हाउ? एट द एंड ऑफ द चैप्टर विल डिस्कस। अभी मैंने जो यूज में लिखा था, वन इज योर इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर, अनदर इज योर इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर, ये दोनों इसी कॉन्सेप्ट को लेके बना है। व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर? यू सी व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर? आपका घर में जो लाइट चला जाता है, जनरेटर क्या करता है? जनरेटर क्या करता है? आपको इलेक्ट्रिक करंट देता है, आउटपुट इज द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। तो कभी हमने उसके अंदर में जाके झांका नहीं कि करता कैसा है, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट निकलता कैसा है, ठीक है? उसके अंदर में जो कॉइल है उसमें स्ट्रॉन्ग मैग्नेट है, दैट मैग्नेट इज रोटेटिंग अराउंड द जनरेटर। When there is a movement of a rotation of the magnetism around a coil, then the coil is getting an electricity. Is that clear? What is electric motor? In the same way, it's a very important aspect by the Oester to the world. How? What is the role of electric motor? अभी भी बोला टॉय, बच्चा लोग पकड़ते हैं मोबाइल में, टॉय चलता रहता है मानने से। कैसे? The motor is rotating and that motor is stretching your toy to ahead or bringing your back to the toy. Are you getting the point? So how the motor works here? मोटर कैसे चलता है? सोचिए, एक टॉय कार कैसे चलता है? बैटरी लगा दिया, 6 को बैटरी लगा दिया, नहीं तो आजकल चार्ज करते हो आप। Is that clear? Then electricity is taking. Then around when the electricity is taking inside the toy, then inside the toy a strong magnetism is produced. Are you getting the point? So that magnet, when it is becoming what in motion, particularly whenever a passage of electric current is there, the magnet inside that is called a motor. Okay, it rotates the what? It rotates the wheel and it is automatically going on. Is that clear? The magnetism is able to rotate the what? Wheel of the toy. So these two concepts were initially developed by your Oester. Is that clear? Knowing more about ना क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, आप बोलोगे अरे इतना स्टोरी बोले सारा आपने, तो ये मैग्नेटिज्म है क्या? हमको तो दिखता नहीं है। नहीं दिखता है, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट भी नहीं दिखता है। Is that clear? These are the imaginary things. We can't see. मैग्नेटिज्म कैसा होता है, क्या होता है, अंदर में क्या है, we don't able to see. Let us discuss how you influence the magnetism. Question arises, how you influence the magnetism? Dear students, magnetism is nothing. Magnetism is generally a vector quantity. Okay, what is that considered to be a vector? It is having both magnitude as well as direction. इसका magnitude है as well as direction है. What is called as magnitude? Magnitude is a quantitative aspect of magnetism. How we measure the magnetism is measured, or the magnetic field is measured with a magnetic force. That it is a magnetic force. So whenever a passage of electricity around a conductor, the magnetism produced around it is known as your magnetic field, and this magnetic field is nothing but an influence of a magnetic force. I can tell you what is this magnetic force is equivalent to also your gravitational force of your earth. आप मुझे बता सकते हो what is the formula for your gravitational force? Force is invisible. Earth is having a very weak, that is called gravitational force. The apple is able to fall according to Sir Isaac Newton. Yes or no? What is the formula of your gravitational force? Anyone please tell? Very good. Very good. Yes. 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 Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. I listen. Very good. That is F is equal to G mm by R square. Yeah. G m1 m2 by G small m by R square. This G is nothing but your gravitational constant. You know. Are you getting the point? And it is also having a value 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 units or Newton meter square by Joule. Is that clear? Are you getting the point? 9 class में पढ़े होंगे. Are you getting the point what I am telling? Dear student, in the same way, the magnetic field is experienced or the magnetic field is produced or experienced due to magnetic force which is having a magnitude. आप अभी बोलोगे उस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को हम नापेंगे कैसे? कैसे पता मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का कैसे कॉन्सेप्ट जानेंगे? You are belonging to the very low class. इस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को मेजर करने के लिए when you coming in the standard 12 class, उस टाइम में another scientist whose name is Coulomb. This is your given by your Newton and this name is Coulomb. This Coulomb is given a mathematical derivation to calculate the magnitude of that magnetic field or magnetic force. It is very much resemblance with this formula. थोड़ा सा नोट कर दीजिए नहीं तो इस पावर पॉइंट में मैं आपको भेज दूंगा. F is equal to that magnetic force is equal to mu zero m1 m2 by r square. Is that clear? What is this m1 m2 here? These are nothing but the magnetic material here. Here r1 r here mm is what? Mass. Are you getting the point? Here mm क्या है? Mass. Or you may consider this m1 m2 the magnetic molecule. And this epsilon zero, इसको बोलते हैं epsilon zero या mu zero. The mu zero is again another having a constant. You can see here. ओवरस्टड इसके बारे में तो बोल दिए. आप थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे बोलूंगा आपको, ये आप देख सकते हो डायग्राम. ये मैंने तो आपको बोल दिया लेकिन डायग्राम नहीं दिखाया था, बाद में आएंगे. थोड़ा सा बैक यहाँ पे देख लीजिए. According to Oersted, this is not the Oersted's experiment. You see, this AB is a what? AB is a wire. This conducting wire is connected with a battery and switch. Here is the fast diagram. थोड़ा सा screen देखिए आप लोग. Here is the fast diagram. You see, the switch is opened. आपको दिख रहा है? Dear student.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here you see, this is the open key. Switch is opened. And you see the compass. ये compass जैसे ही वैसा है. North pole को arrow mark North pole, bottom one is South pole. No deflection. No deflection. Is that clear? And the second diagram you see, the switch is closed. So when the switch is closed, electric current is passed through the battery or the cell. You see the direction of current is swaying. And you see, अभी ये ऐसा नॉर्थ पोल में करने लगा, ये ऐसा ऐसे फिंगर की तरह घूमता रहेगा. What does it mean? Oersted then telling that the AB, around AB, another magnetism is produced. Diagram दिखता है second वाला diagram? Second diagram
Yes,
is visible or not? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then here you see. Then what? AB is magnetized. AB खुद magnetized हो गया. इसका मतलब है जब AB मैग्नेट हो गया, कंपास के अंदर में भी एक मैग्नेट है, तो शायद हो सकता है इसका नॉर्थ पोल है तो रिफ्लेक्शन होगा अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल, तो वो डिफ्लेक्शन करने लगा. ठीक है. तो दिस इज योर व्हाट ओयरस्टेड्स एक्सपेरिमेंट. ना जो मैंने अभी बोल रहा था आपको, which is influencing us the magnetism or we may consider as magnetic field. Which is responsible for that magnetism? The magnetic field is responsible for influencing the magnetism. Okay, what is a magnetic field? एक मार्क क्वेश्चन मिल सकता है आप लोगों को. डेफिनेशन थोड़ा बहुत आपको याद करना पड़ेगा. What is a magnetic field? So the space surrounding a magnet, very easy to remember. What? The space surrounding a magnet in which magnetic force is experienced. यहाँ पे देखिए exerted, इसको लैंग्वेज लिखा है, the space surrounding a magnet in which magnetic force is exerted is called a magnetic field. Very simple. याद रखने के लिए very simple. What is a magnetic field? Magnetic field is the space surrounding. What is called magnetic field? Space surrounding a magnet. एक मैग्नेट का आसपास जो स्पेस होता है, जहां तक एक मैग्नेटिक फोर्स का इन्फ्लुएंस या एक्सर्टेड होता है, उस एरिया, उस स्पेस तक हमको बोलेंगे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। ओके, कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट, यू सी डेफिनेशन थोड़ा बहुत याद रखोगे, पावर पॉइंट आपको भेज दिया जाएगा। तो द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड हैज ए मैग्नीट्यूड एज वेल एज डायरेक्शन। ऑलरेडी मैंने आपको बता चुका हूं, थोड़ा पढ़ा देता हूं, आपको देख लीजिए। इट इज ए वेक्टर क्वांटिटी। वेक्टर, व्हाट इज कॉल्ड एज ए वेक्टर एंड स्केलर? स्केलर इज कंटेनिंग ओनली मैग्नीट्यूड, where is vector is just. If you don't have study, you can see here, learn this very interesting topic. Okay, now you see magnitude and direction. Both magnitude and direction it is considered to be vector quantity. आप अभी बोलोगे ये स्केलर वेक्टर से कुछ हजम में नहीं आता है, ठीक है? क्लियर? आज लाइक योर लाइन सेगमेंट एंड स्ट्रेट लाइन कंसीडर करा लेंगे। अब स्केलर वेक्टर, कुछ बच्चों को टीचर्स लोग ऐसे बोल देते हैं, इट इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी, इट इज ए वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, बट स्टूडेंट्स ऑफन दे डोंट आस्क सर ये स्केलर वेक्टर कांसेप्ट क्या है, समझाइए। स्केलर वेक्टर को बढ़िया से समझने के लिए आप चले जाइए ज्योमेट्री में, लाइन सेगमेंट, both of the end points cut only having a magnitude 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm like this. Are you getting the point? Are you getting the point? Your magnetic field here considered to be a straight line extended infinitely, but it is having a magnitude. Yes or no? It is having a what? अगर मैग्नीट्यूड नहीं होता तो स्ट्रेट लाइन, ऐसा स्ट्रेट लाइन जो हमने खींचा यहाँ से यहाँ तक, और तो वो पॉइंट बन जाता। थोड़ा सा ये सब ना बोलो, कट कट नहीं हो गया तो।
Yes sir.
My voice audible?
Yes sir. Yes sir. Audible.
Audible.
Okay. Okay. Now you see अभी समझ में आया, अगर इसका मैग्नीट्यूड नहीं होता स्ट्रेट लाइन का, तो दोनों आर्म को इकट्ठा लग जाता। स्ट्रेट लाइन को हमने ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? It is visible to you? If it does not have magnitude, ये तो ऐसा हो जाता, स्ट्रेट लाइन का डायग्राम ऐसा हो जाता, ऐसे नो मैग्नीट्यूड, या पॉइंट बन जाता, पॉइंट इज हैविंग नो डायमेंशन। आर यू गेटिंग द पॉइंट और नॉट? So it is having both magnitude as well as direction. So this is considered to be a vector. Another is a, when you go to higher class, you will learn a vector algebra. एक vector algebra है 12th class में, vector very interesting पढ़ने के लिए, तब आप डिटेल्स वहां से और भी पढ़ोगे, ठीक है? If you learn physics, वहां भी आपका वेक्टर है, वेक्टर के ऊपर एक पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर है, is that clear? Okay, we will not go to that. So vector, how the magnitude can be determined? Even आप लैपटॉप स्क्रीन को देखिए, ये मैग्नीट्यूड को हम कैसे डिटरमाइन करेंगे? मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फोर्स बिटवीन टू पोल्स अकॉर्डिंग टू कूलम्स लॉ। अभी मैंने जैसे आपको बता रहा था, अकॉर्डिंग टू कूलम्स लॉ, ठीक है? इट इज गिवन बाय F इज इक्वल टू μ0 by 4 pi. Is that clear? μ0 by 4 pi. 4 pi छूट गया है। μ0 by 4 pi m1 m2 by r square. That clear? Where μ0 is called the absolute magnetic permeability of free space. अभी नाम याद रखिए, इसके बारे में डिटेल्स जाके आप 12th क्लास में पढ़ोगे। आप कुछ ओलंपियाड एग्जाम देना है या क्या देना है, वहां पे आपको पूछ सकता है मैग्नेटिक फोर्स का फॉर्मूला क्या है। यू कैन यूज दिस μ0 by 4 pi m1 m2 by r square. Here μ0 is called to be the your what? Absolute magnetic permeability. Absolute magnetic permeability. ठीक है? वहां पर जैसे ये था G का वैल्यू 6.67 10 to the power -11 था, यहाँ से μ0 का वैल्यू भी 4 pi into 10 to the power -6, ठीक है? वेवनर इनटू एम्पियर, ये है आपका एम्पियर इनवर्स और मीटर इनवर्स, इसका यूनिट है, ये दिखता है आपको। ये जो W भी लिखा है ये वेबर है एक्चुअली, टेस्ला गॉस ये सब यूनिट है उसके, तो इसके बारे में अभी ज्यादा आपको जानने की अभी जरूरत नहीं है, बस आप खाली फॉर्मूला याद रखिए। इस फॉर्मूला से आप प्रॉब्लम कर सकते हो। अरे गेटिंग द पॉइंट? फॉर्मूला से आप क्या कर सकते हो? प्रॉब्लम कर सकते हो। ओके, अगर पढ़ा तो मैं एक प्रॉब्लम इस फॉर्मूला से रिलेटेड आपको दूंगा, जब इसके बाद दूंगा। कल आपको एक फॉर्मूला दे दूंगा, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द मैग्नेटिक फोर्स, और डिटेल इसके बारे में हम कल पढ़ेंगे, और भी डिटेल्स आपको पढ़ा दूंगा। ये आपका दक्षिणा फाउंडेशन के लिए, या आपका कोई भी आपने आलन या इसका एग्जाम अपीयर किया तो उसमें जरूर पड़ेगा, प्रॉब्लम जरूर पड़ेगा। देन कम टू दिस। नहीं जा रहे? हो जाएगा।
कीबोर्ड काम करना।
बार ये दबा दो, अभी कर। हाँ, हो गया ना। हाउ द डायरेक्शन कैन बी डिटरमाइंड? Is the laptop screen visible to you?
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How the अभी magnitude determined with a formula, that is force experience. How the direction can be? Direction हमको कैसे पता चलेगा कि एक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है? ये तो इनविजिबल है, हम तो देख नहीं पा रहा है, कैसे पता चलेगा? बस इन्फ्लुएंस ये कर रहे हैं कि एक मैग्नेट जब है, एक आयरन नेल यहाँ लेके आए तो ये खींच दे रहा है, बस उतना सा। इन द लोअर क्लास हम उतना सा मालूम कर पाते हैं कि अगर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है, उसके आसपास जब एक आयरन नेल आएगा वो खींच के लगा लेता है इसको, ठीक है, इतना। बट आज बिलोंग क्लास इज गोइंग टू बी हायर एंड हायर, यू हैव टू नो how the magnetic field, how the direction of magnetic field can be shown. See here, the direction of magnetic field at a point is the direction of